Hello, welcome to Research
Right.
Skills. This video is explain about temperature sensing circuit. So temperature sensing circuit means
Here we are using
so when the temperature increases a particular limit.
thermistor as a sensor.
So normally here we are using a negative temperature coefficient thermistor.
So when you see their data sheet, x-axis is temperature and y-axis is resistance. The circuit so when the room temperature like 25 degrees Celsius, the resistance value is 10K. When that 100 degrees Celsius, so the resistance is very low, like 100 ohm.
So this is the thermistor data sheet. So from where we are creating a signal conditioning circuit. So how will we are creating a signal conditioning circuit? So before that we need to know where the thermistor circuit is applicable. So in applicable air conditioning or automobile engine, water tank. So where you need to measure the temperature or to safety purpose we are using a thermistor as a sensor. So first of all, this is a resistive device. So
we are creating a voltage divider circuit. So here we have assigned 9 voltages Vn. So we need to identify here V2.
So then what we are doing means this resistance is converted into voltage variable.
So already we know the V2 equal to V into R2 divided by R2 plus RT.
So first of all we need to know what are the minimum value of R2 and maximum value of R2. So in minimum value of R2, first of all we have assigned this temperature ration is thermistor resistor is 10K. So when you put 10K, so we need to connect normally a switching device like CBE, like BC547 a transistor. So when you need to connect this device, already we know this 0.7 voltage, greater than 0.7 voltage, the switch is on. Less than 0.7 voltage, the switch is off condition. So first of all, the V2 we need 0.7. We need the 0.7 less than, greater than this range. So V is 9 voltage. So 9 into R2 is, we need to identify. So R2 plus 10K. So when you solve this R2 is approximately we got 220 ohm. So this is the minimum value for R2. Then what's the value of maximum value of R2? So this is less than 0.7 and here is this value 0.7 greater than. So now you need to cut off like 70 degrees Celsius. So 70 degrees Celsius approximately the thermistor resistance value is 4K. So when you use this equation 9 into R2 divided by R2 plus 4K. So when you solve this equation, we have identified this R2 is approximately 1K. So what's the range in between? R2 range 220 ohm to 1K is the range in between 25 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius. So we want to choose, if you need to cut off the region 70 degrees Celsius, we have choose R2 is 1K. Then only it's accept this condition. So we have accept this condition based on this. We have provide this R2 value. So after that is the switch, simple switch. So here also we put plus 9 voltage. Then we are good. Connect a diode. This diode across we have connected any motor like fan like devices. So this is the simple circuit for thermistor signal conditioning circuit. So we have to easy to design at whatever temperature range, because the temperature range you need just the data sheet of this NTC Thermistor unit. So this is the simple circuit. Maybe in real time, maybe they are using a safety purpose in base side, they are using a low resistance in this unit. So this is the simple circuit. Next we will see the working principle, real-time working principle. Okay, thank you for watching. So here we have designed a simple circuit for thermistor. So this is the thermistor unit, is a 10K. Then we have using a resistance unit. Here is the resistance R2 value. So this is the nothing but BC547 transistor, the flat surface phase E, collector base emitter. So this is the diode. So diode across we have connected the motor like this fan device. So when you're checking this condition, we are using lighter. So when you come given the temperature, right. So when the temperature increases a particular limit, the fan is motor is automatically on. So when you press and reduce the temperature level, then it comes to a normal state. So like here is the BC547 act as a switch. So this all units mainly used for the signal conditioning circuit for the thermistor. So here I have using a low current operation. If we use a high current operation, then selection of transistor and resistor diode, each and every component is very important. Okay, thank you for watching.